TCS second phase hiring has started for 2022 batch. The graduates from Science, Arts and Commerce of 2022 batch are eligible. Not only that, all the courses are eligible. So you need not to worry whether you have done BSc, BA, MCA, MTech, BTech, anything are eligible, and no coding skills are required for this application. And the entire hiring process will be non-coding based job, and this TCS bulk hiring will be a special hiring drive from TCS. And the most important thing is that it is not the paid version of TCS NQT. It will be free, and it will be an off-campus hiring from TCS. So what you have to do, you have to go to the link in the given in the description, or you can come to this link. The registration end date will be 7th of January 2022, and the registrations are open for TCS BPS fresher hiring year of passing 2022. The test date will be 26th of January 2022, and the interview date will be announced. If you qualify the test, they will send a mail to you for your interview. So you can read that the TCS has curated exclusive opportunities for arts, commerce, and science graduates from the 2022 year of passing to apply for exciting careers and make the hashtag the big move. So this is a massive hiring opportunity from TCS. They will be hiring many candidates in bulk. So these are the steps for registration. I have to log on to the TCS Next Step portal. If you don't know what is the TCS Next Step portal, this is a TCS Next Step website. You have to create a profile. All the background verification and your interview calls will be registered on this portal. You have to create an account if you don't have an account. Otherwise, you can log in. This is an important step. And then you have to register and apply for the TCS BPS fresher hiring process. And you have to click on the register now button and choose the category BPS. And you have to fill up your details. Then you have to submit your application form. Then you can also give a mock test. Here you will get a login ID, and if you click on sign in, it will be a mock test type of thing that TCS has made so that you get familiarity of the test process. These are the some of the thing you have to keep in your mind. That's it. This is the notification from TCS. They will be hiring in bulk. The test date will be 26th of January, and you have to register before 7th of January. If you this video is helpful to you, please like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more future updates.